Right now we're fishing for mackerel or sea bass. I prefer mackerel, but we'll see. It's a first cast. No, we wait. Alright, second cast got nothing. So tomorrow I'm going to Ventura, do some beach fishing there. Yeah, it should be fun. Also, my friend Max might come. I don't know if he is or not though, but we'll see. It's a crab cast. Outside because I'm not getting crab over here. Some sardines in there. Moving locations because this guy caught a fish over here. Right here's good. Big cast there. It's right here. Yeah. We are gonna get a fish. It's heavy. Just swim it up. Just some crap. Cast again. We're getting bites though, we're getting bites. That's good. There were dolphins over there. It's pretty cool. Still haven't caught a fish. We're gonna get a fish this time. If I don't, I'm leaving. So in my last video, I was in Seattle and I put this GoPro on my RC car. So pretty cool. Yeah, I might do that again today if I don't catch anything. I probably am. I might have better luck tomorrow in Ventura though. I'm gonna leave now.
So here's my Truxus RC car. It's the 4x4 Ultimate. It has the 2-cell 500 milliamp battery. It goes about 36 to 38 miles an hour right now, but it can go up to 60 to 65 miles an hour with the 4-cell battery. So I got a new drive shaft right here. Blue and green cover. Shell. What do you want to call it? I got headlights right here. I got 2 GoPro mounts right here and right here, so